les amis, bienvenue à You, Me and French. Comment allez-vous les amis? J'espère que vous êtes très bien. You might thinking that what she is saying. So today my topic is related to it. Today I am taking greetings, les salutations. So if you are going to France or if you have to greet someone in French, so this simple phrases or words will help you to greet someone. So are you ready? Let's start. So first word is hello. Hello, bonjour. Bonjour. As I said in introductory part of my video, bonjour les amis means hello my friends. Bonjour, hello. Next word is good morning. Good morning is also bonjour. Bonjour, good morning. Good morning, bonjour. So two words is easy because it's same. Hello means bonjour, good morning means bonjour, and third word is good afternoon. Good afternoon is bon après midi. Bon après midi. It's little bit hard. Just concentrate. You will get to know. Bon après midi means good afternoon. Good night is bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Good night. Bonne nuit. So whenever you will say good night, so just say bonne nuit. Then next word is how are you. How are you is comment allez-vous, or in simple words comment ça va. Comment allez-vous. If you have to say formally, it's comment allez-vous. Comment allez-vous. How are you. And if you have to say informally, like to your friends, so comment ça va. Okay, comment ça va. So in answer you will say I am fine. I am fine means bien or je suis bien. It's bien or je suis bien. Bien is also okay. There is no issue. Next word is please. Please is s'il vous plaît. Please, s'il vous plaît. Please, s'il vous plaît. So if you have to say please to someone, so just say s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. Right? So and next word is thank you. Thank you is merci. Merci. Thank you. Merci. Thank you so much is merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Next word is it's nice to meet you. It's enchanté. Nice to meet you. Enchanté. Enchanté. It's a single word for whole sentence. So if you have to say someone nice to meet you, so you just say enchanté. Enchanté. Then you are welcome. You are welcome is je vous en prie. Je vous en prie. Je vous en prie. Okay, so if you someone will say you merci beaucoup or thank you so much, merci beaucoup, so you will say je vous en prie. You are welcome. And next one is see you later. See you later is à bientôt. À bientôt. À bientôt. And the last word is bye bye. Bye bye is au revoir. Au revoir. Bye bye. Au revoir. I hope you understand these words. I think I have taken something 12, 13 or 14 words. So just read it down. Just practice it with spelling. It's very easy. So whenever you go to France or whenever you have to use French words or French greetings, so it will help you to greet someone. It is very easy. Just practice it. Just ask me if you have any doubt. Just comment it down. Like, share and subscribe my channel. And till next video, I will meet you so soon. Just practice it. Okay? So, au revoir means bye bye. Take care. Bisous.